So today we're going for a drive and taking Ama and Kongkong for some waffles.
What model is this Hyundai?
This is the Hyundai Custin. It's a 7-seater MP.
Maluwag siya, no?
I think they will like the captain's chairs. They have an ottoman. If it's cold for some reason, they can be heated, power adjustable too, and you can also save your setting according to your comfort.
Hunter. And it's the... Yeah. Oh. Look. No? How am I sleeping na?
What kind of engine does it have?
This is a 1.5 liter turbo with an 8-speed automatic.
Tahimik siya, no?
Hindi kasing ingay ni Hunter, no? Anything notable pa from your end?
The dashboard are all visible, very clear.
This touchscreen is huge if you can look at it.
Yeah.
Very comfortable actually kahit kunyari malabo mata mo. And it has wireless charging here in front, but also at the back. So the passengers at the back are not left behind. It even has privacy curtains. Pinaglalaro ni Hunter kanina. Huh? Wanna see the sky?
Where?
Yeah.
See the raindrops, oh?
The Sina.
You don't want to see.
You don't want to see now? Okay, I'll close it.
You can see.
How are you two back there?
We're fine. Diba, Hunter? We're good. Feels like home, no? Very comfortable. No? Diba?
So this has Hyundai Smart Sense. So what is that? Cruise control, lane following assist, high beam assist, forward collision avoidance, blind spot warning, and more. Actually, when we were driving the Toby, nagulat siya. That was an alert when the car was moving in front na. Would you like to try it?
Yeah, okay. I like the ride. Very smooth. Yeah, very nice.
Even for someone your age.
Yeah.
Part-time. May baka may parking dito. So you don't get wet.
What is that?
So, what did you think of the car?
I like the feature of the car. The height's also perfect.
Bagay sa atin sa mga
Yeah,
seniors.
bagay sa mga
Mga
senior.
seniors, pagpasok, madali. And the doors slide. No effort at all. Pwede ano?
Huh?
Let's buy one.